This step-by-step installation specifically covers eave trim installation for an exposed fastener panel. In this video, we will cover required tools and supplies, eave trim at a corner, overlapping eave trim, fastening eave trim, and underlayment at eave. Tools required: metal cutting snips, hand seamer, carpenter's pencil, caulking gun, silicone. We recommend Premium Ultra 1000, 8-inch strip of Sharkskin Ultra self-adhesive, and 1-inch metal to wood pancake screws. Prior to installation, remove all plastic film. Installing eave trim at a corner. Start by running the first section of eave trim 1 inch past the edge of the roof. Then use your carpenter's pencil to mark the underside of the eave trim by tracing the fascia and gable board. Use your snips to cut along the outlined section of eave trim, resulting in the removal of a 1-inch flap as shown. Next, remove a section of the hem by making a 45-degree cut to the 1-inch line. Use your hand seamer to bend the remaining 1-inch flap backwards as shown. This process will allow the eave trim to meet up with the gable trim and have a clean, mitered corner. Repeat the process for the alternative side of the roof. Eave trim is typically 10 to 12 feet in length, and with most roofs larger than 12 feet, sections will have to be overlapped. Eave trim should be overlapped a minimum of 3 inches. This process is done by notching the first eave trim 3 inches at the hem of the drip edge as shown. Next, using a screwdriver, slightly open the hem of the adjacent eave trim. This will allow it to slide into the notched section. The purpose of overlapping is to create a secure fit on the fascia and secure it during windy conditions. When fastening eave trim, use 1-inch metal to wood pancake head screws. They are low-profile screws that will not dimple the metal panel that will sit on top of it. Begin fastening first section of eave by placing 2 pancake screws on each end of the flashing, 8 inches from the edge as shown. At the overlap, apply caulking to the notched edge of eave. Slide the second piece into the notched section and secure it with 2 pancake screws, 8 inches from the edge as shown. When measuring your final piece of eave trim, make sure to compensate for the 3-inch overlap and 1 inch needed for overhang. Secure the final piece by applying caulking to notched edge and securing it with 2 pancake screws, 8 inches from each edge as shown. Place additional screws on each section of eave, 12 inches apart on center as shown. The final step of eave installation is to place an 8-inch strip of self-adhesive underlayment, 1 inch from the edge of the eave. Once this is done, you will have underlayment both underneath and on top of the eave. Looking for more videos? Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. For more information, visit westernstatesmetalroofing.com.